Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm currently in Italy. I know, super weird, super fun, super fresh. Start getting ready for the day. Breaking out a ton. I don't know why, but it's okay. That's why we have makeup. Hi. Ooh, thank you, queen. Oh my god, thank you. Guys, look how they drink their coffee here. It's always super like in these little tiny mugs, super cute. Nothing like American coffee. I feel like we don't even drink real coffee. We literally drink like ice with sugar and cream and like a little bit of coffee. This is like pure espresso. Today we're gonna be going to Romeo and Juliet's, well, Juliet's house, like her little balcony thing that they have here in Verona. I've been here before. Me and my sister came here 2 years ago by ourselves, and this time around her boyfriend came along, my parents came along, my little sister. So it's just gonna be like a fun ass time. I really don't know what we're gonna be doing, honestly. Whatever comes to us, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna finish getting ready and I'll update you guys and I'll vlog the entire day for you guys, and it's just gonna be a fun time. So if you want to hang out with me and my family, this trip takes us, then just keep on watching. And yeah, I'm gonna finish getting ready.
Ready para irnos. Let's go look for the number one. Oh, Oli!
Oli!
Estamos aquí.
This is English, by the way. So we're not going to see Juliet's house anymore. No, it's because we don't have time, because it's 6:40 and Juliet is probably sleeping. No, I'm just kidding. But we're gonna go to Verona, to the city. Yep.
Okay.
First stop. Ice cream. Alright, we're getting some gelato. I'm gonna get whatever flavor she got. I don't even know what it looks like, but I'm sure it's gonna be wonderful. Right?
Yes.
Something chocolatey, I'm guessing, right?
Yes.
I knew it. We are just like twinsies. Update, flavor, fire.
You're welcome.
Would it be crazy to say I want to move here forever? Truly, like I'm not even joking. I'm not even joking.
Is he over there, trying to cross the sea? But he's broken, like a minor symphony. I'm gonna ask you for your heart.
Ooh, this is a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah. Grazie. I'm gonna taste it from the bottle because that tastes better. Oh my god. This literally looks like... I'm gonna give you guys a satisfying little clip right now.
I hope it's still.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna spill.
No. Whew. Finally home. We're gonna get ready for bed now because tomorrow we got a hot, long day ahead of us. We're going to Venice. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, so we actually woke up early today, 9:41. That's a time record for us. We're going to Venice today, which is so exciting, to ride the gondolas. But first we're gonna stop for some breakfast. Muéstranos tu outfit.
Mi outfit?
Show us your outfit. Where was this inspired from? Here's the inspo. Nah. Grazie. Okay, we're gonna do a little 3-wheel photo booth.
How are we gonna get in there?
€5.
Oh, son 5. I thought it said 2.
Y ya no devuelve.
Well, that was a fail.
So right now we're playing a game. It's called Guess the Song by Humming. There she is.
Dile al amor.
How stupid do I sound? Ready. Alright, we're here.
En busca de un amor que no sabe lo que quiere, no, no. En busca de un amor.
Guys, I'm gonna get my, how do you say that? It's not a pedicure, it's like a little, they're gonna just eat my I saw Kylie Jenner doing this a long time ago, so I have to do it.
Vea, mírela a ella.
Oh, gracias.
Lo que no haces, si no tu amor. Tras, solo yo le pido no tras. No te pido yo lo que no hagas, si no tu amor.
Hágale pues, meta. Pero meta lo
Tengo miedito ahí todo. Oh my god,
Eres tú. Quiero que me quieras como quiero que me quieras tú. Quiero que me quieras, quiero que me quieras, quiero que me quieras como quiero que me quieras tú.
Things to do in Italy. Number 1. Okay, homies. We're on the gondola. Casual. Super cash. Confessional on the gondola.
Tengo una confesión.
What? ¿Qué?
That's one password.
We all do. Uy, es miren ese zapatito.
Hola, honey.
Excuse me?
Perdóname.
I'm sorry, pero... I'm sorry, honey. I'm sorry.
¿Cierto?
I can't.
Ay, marico.
I was
Estaba
like-
tan lindo.
No, mentira, yo no miré nada.
Estamos buscando, yo le voy a para
Sí, para yo aprobar.
¿Probar qué?
Uy, Ava,
¿Probar qué?
me
No,
enamoré.
para aprobar.
Para mí,
no probar,
hombre.
amigo.
Para-
Yo no pruebo más.
Wow.
Footage.
Oh my god. ¿Cierto?
Girl
I
footage.
just fell in love, guys. Gracias. Señorita. God, my makeup looks insane.
Tallito que yo tenía. Que yo me volví en el...
Excuse me.
Oh man.
No tiene color.
Mire. That was funny. Todo el mundo diga, living our best lives. Living our best lives. Here's the scale. Oh guys, this is my aunt from Italy. She lives her best life. No kids. Tía, saluda pero en inglés. Porque esos son mis... Yo les estoy diciendo que usted es mi tía de Italia. Diga... Bye. Oh, it's gonna be a really cute shot. It's con alcohol. Oh, grazie. We love that. Italy. Because it's so lit. Tía, diga pues, era lit.
Hello, esto, léete.
Muy lindo.
Esta. ¿Dos o una? Esta.
Saca esto, voy a andar así.
Oh my god, you guys, the heat here is so insane. All of this is sweat. I don't mean to be gross, but we made it to the beach finally. I'm so excited to get in there. This is all sweat. That's so crazy. Oh, guys. Alright, let's go. Wait, start over. Start over and do it louder. Dude, that's how stupid I look doing it. Do it again, do it louder. What did it say? I don't know. Ah, no, marica, way off. Ready? Let's try and do it. See if we both sound the same. Ready? Just let's see. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, I hate the sea.
I hate the sea, I hate trains, and what else?
And you're supposed to find the lie.
I know.
I love sharks.
Okay, so first, so you said I love sharks, I hate the sea, and I hate trains.
Wait.
What did you say?
Wait.
Yeah, you did it wrong. I know you did it
Oh
wrong.
my god, I'm so sorry. I did it wrong.
They're all true.
No, I hate the sea.
No.
Yeah, and then
Yeah, you.
I suck at it.
I was gonna.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna start saying a lyric, and Violet. I'm gonna start saying a lyric, and she has to finish it, and then we're gonna see who like doesn't know the song first. And this is like one of our favorite songs ever. Okay, ready? Okay. You're on the phone.
Your girlfriend.
She's upset.
She's going off about
Something that you said. Huh? What? No, you skipped the part. She's upset. She's going off about something that you said, cause she doesn't get your humor. Get your humor
like I do.
Hey. I'm in the room. It's a typical
Tuesday night.
Hey, I'm listening to the kind of music
She doesn't like.
okay, cause she doesn't know your story.
Oh, stop.
Cause she doesn't, she's been lost. Cause she doesn't know your story.
Like I do.
What else? Oh, cause she wears short skirts.
I wear
T-shirts.
t-shirts. I was gonna say that, but I was like, no.
She's cheer captain and
I'm on the bleachers.
dream about the day.
When you wake up and find.
Hey, that ¿cómo es? I forgot.
And what you're looking for has been here the whole time.